In this video I'm going to show you to go ahead and sign up for a new Huobi account and identity verification for your account. Step 1. Go to Huobi.com and click on Sign Up. Step 2. Type your email, then type your Huobi selected password. And type this referral code to get an additional 10 off of your trading fees. Or you can just also click on the link down below in the description in our channel on YouTube that will take you to this page here, which automatically have that referral code. Remember, click on the box I have read and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Then click Sign Up. Next, a 6-digit verification code was sent in your email. Switch to your email, click on the email sent by Huobi. Copy the account activation code number, paste it back in Huobi. Step 3. Click on Account and Security. You can see the security level is low, now you have to raise it up to high. In the phone section, click on Link. Type your phone number and click Get Verification Code. If it won't be sent to your phone, click Resend. Then type your SMS verification code was sent in your phone. Now, click Get Verification Code to get another email code in your email. You can see the security level now is medium. Step 4. In the Google Authenticator, click on Link. Then search Google Authenticator PC on Google. Add it in your Chrome, and pin it in your extensions in Chrome. Open Authenticator, then scan the QR code in Huobi. 6-digit code is pumped up. You just need to type that into FA code in Huobi. Then click Submit. Then click Get Verification Code in SMS verification code and email code. Then type the code in there and click Confirm. Now the security level is high. Step 5. Click Basic Verification on the top. Click Exchange section. In the ID verification section, click Verify. Then you need to upload your ID card, front and back. Click Submit. Click Peer-to-Peer section, click Verify. Then you need to take a photo of your ID card like before. Then you now need to verify your face to match with your ID card. Center your face in the frame and follow the on-screen instruction. That's it. You can start trading now. Good luck.